Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Manna. Today I am going to be canning pinto beans and chicken, which will be a separate video. So what I've gone ahead and done is put my beans into a jar. First I rinse them really well. Now I'm doing a no soak method. Okay, so as most people will tell you, it's not an approved method, but it is a method that works. It comes out fine. The beans fluff up. They are amazing. And it takes less time than soaking them overnight or soaking them in an Instapot. And this is just the preferred way that I like to do this. So what I do is in a pint jar, I put a half a cup of beans. And you can do this with any bean, with white beans, kidney beans, black beans, garbanzo beans, anything like that. Any kind of bean, you can do this process with the exact same measurements. These will pressure can. You have to pressure can them. Do not water bath can them. These will pressure can at, from my altitude, which is sea level, 10 pounds of pressure at 75 minutes. If I was doing these in quarts, it would be 90 minutes. So I like to do beans and chicken at the same time in the same pot. Usually I will do chicken, and if I don't have enough chicken cans to fill the canner, because I like to run a full canner, I will add a few beans because they process at the same time and the same amount of pressure. Chicken also cans at 75 minutes for a pint and at 90 minutes for a quart. So if you remember those two things, you can do meats. Pork, beef is the same time as the chicken, and beans are the same times. So if you don't have enough of meat sometime, you have a few leftover beans that you haven't used and you want to can them up, you can fill the canner that way. So this is the only one I haven't done. Only because I ran out of hot water. I use bottled water all the time, purified water. I don't use the water out of tap. Those who follow me know that I do that. So I went ahead and I added a little bit of sea salt to the bottom of these jars before I put the beans in. Sometime, and I have, I think, another 4 pounds of beans to do, I will add a little bit of garlic and onion, cut up onion in them, as well as maybe a couple peppercorns and salt, and they come out really, really delicious. So this time it's just going to be water. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the beans. I might use them for chili. I might use them for refried beans. I'm not sure, so I didn't put anything in these, and I want some that don't have any onions or any flavoring in them. So that's what we're doing today. And cutting up the chicken, that'll be in a separate video, but I'm going to do chicken chunks that are pre-cooked, and I'm also going to do raw pack. So I'm going to show you how to do both, because I think it's important that you know which way that maybe you prefer it. So over here, I have my canner is heating up, and my pan of water that I'm heating up some more water so I can do the rest of my beans and my chicken. And here are some of the jars that I have left, and they're all sterilized and everything. Got more jars outside, but these are all wide mouth. Had enough jars. I had enough seals, or rings, sorry, but I didn't have enough seals. So I had to run out and get seals this morning. So that's why this video is in the afternoon. It's already 2:30 in the afternoon. So I'm going to go ahead and put the seals on these. I've already run the rim with my towel with vinegar, and there are no cracks or anything. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. We're gonna put the rings on, and I'm gonna put them in the canner for 75 minutes. And I will show you the end result when they're done. So check back for the second part of this video, and then also for the chicken video later on. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, just write them in the comment section below. Please subscribe so that you're updated with all of my videos that are coming up. As I promised, we're going to be doing a lot of canning. Some gardening to come too, but a lot of canning. So thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you soon.